1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin ZCash currently trading for $55 after getting to as high as over $366 in May 2021. We have seen ZCash dump really low to as low as $52, dropping more than 85% since May 2021. How high can ZCash go when the market starts pumping? If you're holding some ZCash right now, you might be asking yourself, can ZCash go to the previous all-time high we set in 2017? Guys, ZCash was trading for around $945 since then. But ZCash has been dumping. Even in 2021, after the crazy bull run we had, ZCash couldn't go to the previous all-time high in 2017. Is it lights out for ZCash? Are we going to see ZCash ever break that previous all-time high? And what's the pathway for ZCash breaking that previous all-time high? And if it does break that all-time high, can we see ZCash trading for $2,000, $4,000? In this video, we'll be looking at ZCash US dollar price chart from 2017 till 2022. We'll also be looking at ZCash performance against Bitcoin over the years, ZCash performance against Ethereum over the years, and then we'll take a look at ZCash market cap. It currently sits at $847 million at a very crucial support level after hitting an all-time high of $4.32 billion in May 2021. Can we break that all-time high anytime soon? Or are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, chart analysis, and price prediction, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we have a very green day in the crypto market. ZCash is up 5.5% in the last 24 hours. In the last 1 week, it's still down 11.8%. All coins have been taking the brunt of the crash. All coins have been tanking really well. In the last 1 month, ZCash is still down 11.7%. In the last 1 year, ZCash is down 49%. Can ZCash go to set new all-time highs anytime soon? This is ZCash US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame, and this is ZCash from 2016 when it was launched till 2022 September. We have over 6 years worth of price history for ZCash. Now, ZCash set an all-time high in 2018 when ZCash got to as high as $950. But after that all-time high, the bear market was very, very brutal to ZCash. We saw ZCash go from that $900 high to as low as $21 during the COVID sell-off. On March 13, 2020 to be exact, ZCash was trading for as low as $21. That was the all-time low. The previous all-time low for ZCash was around $28. ZCash went below that all-time low just for some few days, and after that it was back above it. Now, we don't intend for ZCash to come back to this $27 region. Nobody is holding ZCash right now wants to say that. We are hoping to see all-time highs, but we know that when ZCash is pumping, it pumps harder than the rest of the market. But what happened in 2021, nobody can really explain, because ZCash went from as low as $21 to as high as $360. Now, a 1,500% increase on your asset prices in just 417 days. Good return on investment, but ZCash was not able to set new all-time highs. We hit critical resistance level that we're not able to go through. The rally we had in May 2018, that rally was where ZCash was trading around $370, and that's exactly where we got stopped out of in the rally at the end of the bull run in May 2021. After that, ZCash was just setting lower highs and lower lows, and here we are in 2022 September. ZCash is trading for $55, and I actually think this is a good time to buy ZCash in the bear market. If ZCash go lower than $55, that would be a very wonderful opportunity of a lifetime. But right now, ZCash is currently at a very critical support level, and I think in the next 1 or 2 years we're going to see ZCash trading at new all-time highs. Now, why is this level a very critical support level for ZCash? After we got to that low of less than $25 in 2020, as ZCash was trying to pump to $370, we first went to $98, and then we saw ZCash dump back to this $53, $52 level just to test back this support to make sure that yes, we are good and we can start pumping to new highs. After we tested that support, ZCash went to as high as $317. After that, the bull run was over and we're dumping, and right now ZCash is coming back to test that support. So if this support holds, I'll expect ZCash to start pumping to new highs. You can see that even before we went to that low, we had a strong support at that level again in 2018 bear market when ZCash was dropping from as low as $900. ZCash lost more than 94% of its value. A lot of people thought the bottom was in right here. I would have thought the bottom was in. ZCash, after it bounced off that level, had a reverse rally that took ZCash to as high as $120. But we had a very, very strong resistance there, and so ZCash got rejected off that level. Now, why am I showing you all the significant levels in the ZCash US dollar price chart? These are the levels we need to clear if ZCash will ever go to new all-time highs. Now, the only level holding us down in all this level is the $350, $370 level. Now, if ZCash can, by the stroke of magic, get above $370, the only thing left for us to set new all-time highs will be the $940 level. And I believe when ZCash goes above $370, the race towards $900 will be very, very swift. It just means ZCash have to go up another 155%. ZCash setting a new all-time high. How high can it go? If we're using the Fibonacci retracement tool from the all-time high that ZCash set in 2018 to the bottom of the market that happened for ZCash in March 2020, according to the Fibonacci retracement tool, ZCash can get to as high as $4,000 at the top of the next bull run. Now, that sounds outrageous right now because ZCash is trading for $55. But guys, crazier things have happened in crypto. We saw ZCash after it was launched, it came to as low as $28, and then it went to as high as $900. This was a 3,200% increase in ZCash. And when ZCash was trading for $900, Bitcoin was only going for $20,000 then. Right now, Bitcoin is going below $20,000 and ZCash is trading for $55. So at some point in time in the future, I believe when the market starts pumping, when the market's in easy mode, we'll see ZCash pumping to the upside. But important levels you want to watch out for as ZCash is pumping to the upside, the $957 region is very, very important because that's where our previous all-time high was. And then the $1,500 level, and this way I'll be taking a lot of profit if I have some ZCash, because from 1,500 to 4,000 is less than 200% for ZCash. If you sell your ZCash share, all you're leaving on the table is less than 200%. But from where we are right now, around $55 for ZCash, and you sell it at 1,500, you would have gotten over 2,600% return on your investment. That's a 26x return, and we've seen ZCash do that before. When ZCash was launched, ZCash went up more than 32x. Even the 2021 bull run, when ZCash did not break its previous all-time high set in 2017, ZCash still went up 16x. So when the market is pumping, I expect high things for ZCash. I expect to see ZCash breaking its previous all-time high. Before we look at ZCash performance against Bitcoin and Ethereum, let's take a look at some details about ZCash. It's currently ranked 53 on CoinMarketCap. It has a market capitalization of $847 million, a fully diluted market cap of $1.162 billion, and we have over 15 million ZCash in circulation out of a maximum supply of 21 million coins. Now, why do you want to hold ZCash through the bear market? What makes ZCash unique? ZCash is a decentralized cryptocurrency focused on privacy and anonymity. It uses the zk-SNARK zero knowledge proof technology that allows nodes on the network to verify transactions without revealing any sensitive information about those transactions. Now, where can you buy some ZCash? If you want to buy some to hold through the bear market, or you want to add to your stash, you can get ZCash on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, on Gate.io, on Gemini, on Kraken, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Taking a look at ZCash performance against Bitcoin since 2016, it has been very, very disastrous. ZCash has been losing so much value against Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, ZCash at some point in time in January 2021 was down 99.98% against Bitcoin. So when ZCash was launched, if you flipped your Bitcoin for some ZCash, you would have been in huge losses. Even from the all-time high that ZCash had against Bitcoin, and this was in June 2017, ZCash is still down more than 98%. But I feel like the narrative is going to change at some point in time in the future. We are going to see ZCash outperform Bitcoin, probably in the next bull run. I don't think ZCash is going to break its previous all-time high against Bitcoin, but ZCash still have a lot of room to run against Bitcoin in the next bull run. I won't be shocked to see ZCash go up 1,500%, maybe 2,000% against Bitcoin, because guys, if Zcash go up 1,500% against Bitcoin, it will just get to where we were in May 2018. Now, what was the price of Zcash in May 2018? Zcash was trading around $364. I believe Zcash will surpass that in the next bull run. If you take a look at Zcash performance against Ethereum, it has also been losing value drastically against Ethereum. At some point in time in the future, we are going to see Zcash outperform Ethereum by a lot. Now, when will that happen? Nobody knows, but history has shown us that Zcash only pumps when the market's in easy mode. Now, if you take a look at Zcash market cap, this is a very, very tricky chart because, guys, in the previous bull run, Zcash actually set a new all-time high on its market cap. The previous all-time high for Zcash in 2018 was around $2.8 billion. After that, Zcash dropped to as low as $209 million in the bear market. Now, from $209 million in the bear market, Zcash rallied really hard. From March 2020, we saw Zcash go to as high as $4.2 billion, a 1,900% increase in the market cap of Zcash. But something strange happened. Zcash actually set a new all-time high on its market cap, but it didn't do that on the price chart. You might be wondering, why did that happen? It's because more Zcash was coming into circulation. Right now, we only have 73% of the Zcash, of the maximum supply in circulation. We only have 15 million Zcash. As more Zcash is coming to circulation, you might see Zcash market cap increasing without probably a sharp increase in price. That's how it works. And you can see that that previous all-time high from 2018 acted as a huge resistance for Zcash. Zcash first went above the previous all-time high, set new all-time highs. We went down, we retraced again, and in November 2021, we tried to break to another new all-time high. We were not successful, and the last rally Zcash had in March 2022, we could only get as high as the 2018 all-time high. Right now, I think that is a very, very good accumulation region for Zcash because Zcash is at a very strong support level. If we break this level for Zcash, it might be lights out. We might see Zcash market cap dropping to as low as $293 million. Nobody holding Zcash wants to see that. I believe maybe, just maybe, the bear market is almost over for Zcash. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you think Zcash is going to go in the next bull run? Do you think Zcash should break this $924 level? Do you think we're going to see Zcash trading for around $1,500, maybe $3,000 in the future? Or do you think we're going to continue dumping to Goblin Town and $55 is not the bear market low for Zcash? I want you to drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.
7, 1, 2, 3.